Apple, beetroot, and carrot juice is a nutritious beverage that combines the flavors and health benefits of these three ingredients. Here are some of the potential benefits of consuming this juice. Rich in nutrients. Apple, beetroot, and carrot juice is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Apples provide vitamin C and dietary fiber, while carrots are a good source of vitamin A, and beetroots offer folate, potassium, and iron. Antioxidant properties. This juice is loaded with antioxidants, including flavonoids in apples, beta-carotene in carrots, and betalains in beetroots. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health. The combination of these ingredients may contribute to heart health. The fiber in apples and carrots can help lower cholesterol levels, and beetroot's nitrates may help reduce blood pressure, promoting overall cardiovascular well-being. Improved digestion. The fiber content in apples and carrots can support healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Boosted immunity. The vitamins and minerals in this juice, particularly vitamin C from apples, can enhance the immune system's function, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Detoxification. Beetroot is known for its detoxifying properties. It may help the liver in the detoxification process by assisting in the elimination of toxins from the body. Enhanced exercise performance. Some studies suggest that the nitrates in beetroot juice can improve exercise performance by increasing blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. Athletes may benefit from this. Skin health. The beta-carotene in carrots and the antioxidants in apples may promote healthy skin by reducing the signs of aging and protecting against skin damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Weight management. The fiber in this juice can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially aiding in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Hydration. This juice provides hydration due to its water content, making it a refreshing choice to stay hydrated, especially on hot days. It's important to note that while this juice offers various health benefits, it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Also, consider any specific dietary restrictions or medical conditions you may have when incorporating it into your diet. If you have any concerns or questions about its potential effects on your health, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist.